Copy current path to clipboard or select address bar in Total Commander. Is there any shortcut to copy the path of the current directory in Total Commander? Also, is it possible to select or highlight the address bar with a keyboard shortcut?
You can indeed copy the path of any file or folder you are viewing in any of the panes. Ctrl+P will add the current directory path to the address bar. You can also get individual files paths. Select the files you want to get the path from, click Mark and GT, copy names with path to clipboard. You can even add a new button to the toolbar which activates this command if you use this function very often. Add a new button to the toolbar, and assign it this command, cm_copy full name clip. Another option for easy access is to map a custom keyboard shortcut to this function. This is done in Configuration and GT, Miscellaneous. As for a shortcut to focus on the command line, there is no built-in shortcut to do it, but you can again assign a new button or keyboard shortcut to the command cm_focus line, which takes you from wherever you are straight to the command bar, selecting its whole content.
Home, then Shift plus F6. As Mulgar, Randy Skrika said, and also Ctrl+P, but use Shift plus and Shift plus to go to command line and cut with Ctrl+X. Because that also works in brief and thumbnail view mode, not only in full, extra, see available modes with Shift plus F1.
Is there any shortcut to copy the path of the current directory in Total Commander? Ctrl+P and then or arrow keys to copy the current directory to the command line and then select it for you. Then just Ctrl+C copy. Also, is it possible to select or highlight the address bar with a keyboard shortcut? Use your home key to put you over the notation at the top of the directory listing. That's the parent directory. Then use Shift plus F6 to focus on and highlight the address bar, edit it if you need to.
A good hack is using Configuration and GT, Options and GT, Miscellaneous and GT, redefine hotkeys. Now you can add Ctrl+L and in command select cm_edit path. Pressing Ctrl+L will select the path just like Firefox, Explorer, in Windows 8, Dolphin, Nautilus.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.